is Sidney F.C.R. and welcome to another review video. In this video today we're going to take a closer look on this new expected home jersey for Real Madrid for next season 2023-2024. I bought it from Minejerseys.com. Check in the description down below to find out who that seller is. This one is, like you can see, the long sleeve version, the fan version. Before we have a closer look, also make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have way more videos in the way, so now let's have a closer look. So that's this long sleeve Real Madrid 2023-2024 home jersey. Let me know what you guys think. I really like this design, and especially the long sleeve design is really cool. I like the ADIDAS stripes all the way down to the sleeve cuts, so it's really cool. In the next clip I will show you how this jersey fits me. Once again, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.